Did you know that power outage it can be a manufacturing business in 7 different ways that can cost you ₹1,000,000 and bring down your business? Well, if you don't know, then watch this episode of Dr. Amp Lab till the end and know what those effects are. But before we begin our episode, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update from MSP TV. Well, now let us head straight to the lab. Hi, I am Pranav Shah, a director and founder of Mavi Seas Power Private Limited, and I welcome you to the Dr. Amp's lab. Manufacturing is the worst heat industry, losing annually rupees 15,466 crore and rupees 42,546 crore is estimated amount of loss by Indian firms annually due to power cuts. Many industrial studies have found that electricity supply has direct effect on industrial plant capacity utilization, its productivity, turnover, performance, quality of the products and plant, and the plant maintenance and the overall operating cost. And the 7 effects that power outages cause on the business are: equipment damage. Close to 83% of industries surveyed experience damage of equipment due to power outages, which increase operating costs by 10 to 15% depending on the type of industry. Raw material damage. Approximately 70% of the industries surveyed experience heavy loss in the profit due to damage caused by wastage of raw material due to power cuts. Monthly income loss. Due to the 2 effects that I've just mentioned, the power outage caused the loss in the monthly income of the company. Since the equipment damage and the material wastage affect the supply chain, which is turn lead to the monthly billing, and delayed supply of product means delay in payment. Loss of production time. As they say, time is money, and when you are in the business, time is literally a money, because the more time you waste, the less money you will make. The frequent power interruption, and especially the one longer duration, which cause the power backup system to drain out, leads the downtime of machine and the labor who are forced to remain idle, and leads to reduced productivity, which affect the supply chain of the business. On a monthly basis, an average 24 hours of the production time is wasted due to the power cuts, which are huge. Capacity utilization. Due to the frequent power cuts, and the production or manufacturing plant actually never uses the full capacity of machine and the labor. Because of the power cuts leads to machine failure, and there always maintenance going on the some or other parts of the unit which affect supply chain. Turnover performance. Though the companies never share data about the turnover performance, one can easily get that the effect that I have mentioned earlier have a big impact on a business turnover, and there is always an additional effort and expenditure is made to keep graph of the business turnover to sustain in the market. And the last and most important effect, which sums up all other business operating costs. All the factors that I have mentioned leads to this. The operating cost, and I have mentioned in one of the previous video how operating cost affects the ROI, in turn affecting the profits. The link of the video is in the description. You can check it too. Well, these are the effect of power outages on the manufacturing business. Well, if you are looking for the solution for this problem, then watch our previous video where I have shared the solution, and your convenience that links are provided in the description. And if you don't want to watch them, please call us on 9696086262 or email us at info@msplgroup.com. We'll be happy to help you with the best solution for your needs. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Links are in the description. That is all for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about our upcoming videos, where we will share you more insights and solutions like this. Thank you for watching this video till end. This is Pranav Shah signing off. See you soon.